Hey friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I'm going to work on the update profile functionality. So the first thing that I need to do, as you can see here, that I'm present in the get.go file. So I will make some modifications here and then after that I will work on the update profile functionality. So let's just copy this and delete this variable here from. Alright, and after that let's write total columns here and the data type would be integer. So why I have removed this total columns variable from here? So basically I want to prevent the import cycle. So if you don't know about the import cycle, so the import cycle will occur when the two packages are calling each other. So let's say if the package 1 is calling package 2 and the package 2 is calling package 1 at the same time. So in this way the import cycle will occur. So that's the thing that I need to prevent in this code. So I will be using this variable that I have copied inside this login.go file and inside this signup.go file. So as you can see here that the signup and the login.go file are the CMD packages, not the Redis or the MySQL package. So as you can see here that this is the CMD package. So if I show you, let's just go back and to show you better so that you can better understand it. So as you can see here that this is the MySQL package and I have used this MySQL package inside this Redis package. And I will be working on the update.go file, in which as you can see here that the update.go file is the MySQL package. So inside this MySQL package I will be working on in the Redis as a Redis package. So in this way the get.go file or the Redis package is using the MySQL package, and after that the MySQL package will be using the Redis package. So in this way the import cycle will occur. So that's the thing that I want to prevent. So that's why I have updated this code. So let's just go back and after that let's use this variable that I have deleted from here. So let's use it here. So let's delete it, total columns, and use it here, and let's write total columns like this. All right. Similarly, go to the signup.go file, and inside this file as you can see here that it is giving me an error that I need to write the total columns. So first of all I will write total columns and after that let's write like this. All right. So this is the thing that I need to prevent, and now the import cycle will not occur because I have deleted the total column variable from the Redis package. So now the next thing is to go to the add.go file, and inside this file what I will do, I will remove some of the variables from here and I will put these variables outside the if statement. So let's write like this. Alright, so after that let's remove this variable from here, account email, and paste it outside this if statement. After that let's copy this if statement and print it above like this. And after that let's change the else statement messages because now the first if statement is gone above. So yeah, now change the printf statements from here like this. So basically this login token will check whether the user is logged in, and that's the else statement that will basically check that whether the user is logged in or not. And the next if statement will check that you should insert the profile information first. Alright, so I have just updated the code. I have changed the I have just pasted the login token if statement above, and after that below is the if statement that will check whether the flags are entered or not. So these are the some modifications. So yeah, after that what I need to do is to let's write Redis set account info, and after that profile title, and after that profile title is here like this. All right, so I will show you that why I have done these things. So let's paste it 3 times, and after that let's write profile title and delete this and write phone number. All right, like this. And after that let's write location, and after that let's write what you can say working status like this. Alright, so now this is done. So let's write profile like this. Alright, so this is the profile title, phone number, location, working status that I have saved in the Redis database. Alright, so now it is not giving me an error. Alright, so yeah, so basically why I have done this, so if the user has entered the profile information for the first time, then all these data will be saved inside the Redis database, and I will use this information in the update.go file that is present in the MySQL database. So yeah, so let's save this, and after that let's go to the update.go file that is present inside the profile package. So I need to make some modifications here also, so let's copy this and change the same account email from here like this. All right, and after that let's copy the if statement and paste it above. All right, now change the else statement messages like this and paste it, like remove this from here and paste the if else statement message here like this. All right, so it will check first of all whether the user is logged in or not, and after that it will check that whether the user has given the flags or not. So all the things are the same. So now let's go to the update.go file that is basically present in the MySQL package. So this is the function that I will be working on. So now the next thing that I'm going to do is I will be basically using the phone, location, working status, and the title that I have saved in the Redis database. So I will call these call this data inside this update.go file. So let's call them first of all, and I will show you that how why I have done this and how it will work. So let's write Redis get account info. The first thing is the profile title, and after that let's copy this like this and change the profile. First of all let's write like this, profile phone, yeah, and after that let's write what you can say location, and change the profile title to profile location, and similarly let's change the working status here, and after that let's write like this, get working status. All right, so these are the things that I have gotten, like the profile phone, profile location, and profile status, a working status that I have added into the Redis database in the add.go file. All right, so yeah, after that the next thing that I need to do is to write Redis set account info. Instead of get account info, I will write set account info. So why I have done this, so I will show you. First of all, let me just write it, profile title, and after that let's write value 0. The next thing that I need to do is to write if length of value is not equal to 0. If length of value 0 is not equal to 0, like this. And the next thing is to update the error statement like here. So middleware handle error like this. All right, so this is the package that I have written in the middleware file, in the middleware package. Yeah, so after that let's write the curly braces here, and let's start the curly braces because I have forgotten. Yeah, so basically what it does is that let me just update this one also, and after that I will show you. So get phone, get location, and get working status. Yeah, so what it does is that first of all, if the user has added the profile information for the first time, then all the data will be saved in the Redis database. All right, and after that, once the data is saved, after that, if the user want to update some kind of data like the profile title, profile phone, profile location, profile working status, then I have put the condition that if the user want to update the profile title only, all right, so in this case the profile title will be updated with a new value like the value 0 that I have entered here. All right, and all the data that like the profile phone, profile location, and the profile working status, they will be the same as the previous one. All right, so I hope you understood. So basically, if the user want to update the profile profile title, then the profile title will only be updated, and all the previous information like the phone, location, and working status will be remain the same. It will not be changed. So all right, so that's the reason that I have put the get phone, get location, and get working status, and this is the information that is saved already in the add.go file. All right, so only this value is going to be changed. So if the user want to change this value, after that all the things will be remain as the same except this value 0, that is the title. And I have saved this profile title. So let's say if the user has updated the title, so now this title is not be the new one, instead this is the old one. So as a result, the profile title will be updated in the Redis database as a new profile title. All right, so I hope you understood. So this is the new profile title that will be added in the Redis database, and it will remove them. And after that, this is the old profile, phone, location and working status that will be present as it is in the database, in the MySQL database, except this one. So this will be added into the database as a new value, and this will also be stored as a new value in the Redis database. And the previous value, that is the profile title, will be removed from the Redis database. All right. So I will show you when I will execute this code. So first of all, let's copy this code here and paste it 4 times, because there are 4 values, as you can see here, like the title, phone number, location and working status. So if the user want to update any of the value like title, phone number, location and working status, then each of the values will be changed and other values will not be changed. All right, and they will be the same as the previous one at the old values. All right, so this is the thing that you need to keep in mind. And this is the value 0 means the title. After that, the value 1, it will be the phone number. So let's write the phone number here, like values 1. So this will be basically profile phone. All right, so as a result, the profile phone will be saved as a new value in the Redis database, and now the old value that is saved inside the add.go file will be removed from here. All right, so now the new value will be shown to the user. So yeah, after that, let's remove the get phone and write get title, because now the title is not required. Instead, the phone is required to be present in the database as an old value. So yeah, let's write profile title here, and after that, let's write like this, get title, and after that, let's write value 1. All right, I hope you understood. So this is the value 1, that is the what you can say is the profile phone number that is saved in the MySQL database. So this is going to be the new value, and all the previous value like the profile title, profile location and profile working status will be saved as it is in the database. It will not be removed here. All right, so it will not be removed from the database. If I, let's say, if I don't write the values like this, if I remove these things, so yeah, if I write these empty strings, then the data will be inside the MySQL database will be empty. So it will not show me, and it will show me nothing. So that's the reason that I have written the old data instead of the new data, because only this data is going to be changed and all these data will be the old one. All right. So yeah. So let's take a look at them. Yeah, profile, title, location. Yeah. After that, let's go to the value 2, and this is going to be the profile location. So let's write profile location like this one, and after that, let's write the profile what you can say profile phone number. All right, so profile title, what you can say profile title, and let's write like profile title. And the location should be removed from here, so I will write profile get phone like this, and after that profile phone. All right, so now let's remove it here from here. Sorry, get title, get phone, and the location would be value 2. All right, so value 2 like this. All right, so the new profile location will be saved in the Redis database, and this same profile location will be saved in the MySQL database. So the old information, that is the profile title, profile phone and the profile working status, will be present as it is in the database because I have not changed them. All right, so this is the thing that you need to keep in mind, and they will not be updated in the MySQL database because I don't want to update them, or I don't want to keep them empty. Instead, the old information should be present in the MySQL database, so it will look it will be easy for me for the user to get the information from here. All right, so profile title, profile get phone, value 2 and working status. So that's it. After that, let's go to the value 3, that is going to be the profile working status. So let's change the profile working status, and after that let's write profile 3 value 3, and after that let's write get title, profile title, and after that let's write what you can say profile phone. Let's change the location from profile to profile phone, and after that let's write the location here. So this will be location. Alright, so the working status is gone here because the new value is going to be updated, so that's the reason. Let's write value 3. Alright, so now the profile title should be updated, so I will write get title like this. Get title, get phone number, get location, and the working status will be updated with a new value. Alright, so I hope you understood. So if I save this, and after that let me just go to the insert.go file, and after that I will execute this code. So as you can see here that here this is the print message that I have written multiple times, like insert messages. So this is one message that I have written multiple times in the if statements. So I just want to remove them and I will use this message inside the add.go file. Instead of writing it in the insert.go file, I will write this message one time inside this add.go file. So yeah, so let's remove them here like this and delete them like this. Alright, so now they are not giving me the message, so let's remove this message from here also. Yeah, and the next thing that I need to do is to copy this and delete this variable from here, and go to the add.go file and write print and write this message: your profile data is successfully inserted. So now the data is gone from here, and I have just inserted this message one time. All right, so let's save them these files also. Yeah, go to the get.go file, login, and after that what I need to do is to go install. All right, after that, once they are installed, let's check the modifications. Yeah, these are the modifications, no error is occurring. So yeah, after that what I need to do is to go to the MySQL database and show you the profile table, profiles. As you can see here that profile table does not exist, so I will first of all add the profile information by using this file, as you can see here. So once these data are inserted, after that I can update these things. All right, so let's write proctl add, and after that what you can say is the title. For the title is, let's say, title 1, and the phone number is, let's say, what you can say, 1122, and the location is going to be, let's say, Pakistan, and the working status is going to be office. Alright, so your profile data is successfully inserted. So if I show you again, as you can see that these are the data that are inserted by the account of vanes@gmail.com. Currently the Vanes account is logged in, so that's, if I show you the status, proctl status, as you can see that hello is logged in. So hello is the account name of the vanes@gmail.com. So that's why it is showing me. Now the next thing that I need to do is to write proctl update. And let's say if I want to update only the title. All right, so if I type title, and this time the title will be title 2. If I press enter on this, you will see that profile data is successfully updated. And if I run this code again, you will see that all the data are the previous data. All right, so that's the thing that I wanted to show you, that all the data is the previous one except this title 2. All right, so previously it was title 1, but this one is the title 2, but the data that was previously present is not changed. All right, this is the thing that I wanted to show you. And let's say if I want to change the profile location. All right, so profile location, let's say Afghanistan. All right, so this is a profile location. Now this time only the Pakistan will be changed and all the data will be the same as it is. So if I press enter on this, you will see that this is the Pakistan. So if I press enter, run this command, as you can see, this is the title 2, this is the new title that I have updated, this is the phone, this is the new location, and this is the office. So all the data is the same except this location that I have changed it. Alright, so this is the point that I wanted to show you here in the update.go file. So I hope you understood by showing you this example. So similarly, let's say if I want to change multiple things, like I want to change the phone number 3344, and similarly if I want to change the working status, like home. Working status should be like, let's say, home, or remote. Let's write remote. All right, so now these two things will be changed except this title and the location. All right, so let's press enter on this. Now let's change it. All right, so as you can see here that the phone number is changed and the working status is changed, but the title and location is not changed. All right, so this is the old data that was present, that is present here, but this is the updated data that is currently updated here. All right, so this is the point that I wanted to show you here. So if one data is changed, then all the data will be the same except this newly data that is updated. All right, so I hope you understood. So let's go, let's write what you can say, proctl logout, and after that let's write proctl login, and let's write a login with another account because I have two accounts that are present. So let's write login email Vainstree. The previous one was the vains@gmail, but this one is the Vainstree, and password is 1122. So now if I type proctl add command, then it will ask me to give the flags, because inside in the Vainstree account the profile data is not added. So that's the thing that I need to show you. So let's write proctl add, and now let's say if I don't want to add all the information, instead I just want to add the update profile title. So I will write title, Vains title, like this. All right, so now the profile data is successfully inserted. So if I show you, as you can see here that the Vainstree @gmail.com, this account only contain the Vains title. These information are not updated and these information are not added. So what I will do, I will update these information. So let's write update title. So the title is present, so I will update the phone because this is the not added. So I will write 1100. And let's write what you can say location. So L for the location is, let's say, Turkey. All right, so let's write like this. Now you can see that the Vains title is present as it is, but only the phone and the location is changed. So let's say if I change the what you can say the location another time and remove this phone number from here, and let's say if I type the working status like office. All right, office. So now the Turkey, and change the location like Europe. All right. So now what it will do, it will change the location and the working status, but it will not change these things. So let's work on this. As you can see here, this is a Europe. Sorry, this is a Europe. This is the office, but the phone number and the title is present as it is. All right. So this is the thing that I wanted to show you. So I hope you understood. So yeah. Now what I need to do is to write git status. These are the files that I have modified. So what I will do, I will add these files into the git, and after that I will commit those files. Git commit what you can say is worked on the update profile functionality. All right, so now they are added. All right, and after that git push origin master. So it will take me some time. So yeah, now they are updated. Let's refresh this page. Now there are 20 commits. So yeah, worked on the update profile functionality. Yeah, so these are the things that I have done here. So if I show you what you can see, let's go back and go to the database, whether it is fine here or not. So yeah, update.go file. Yeah, so this is the thing that I have updated in my code. All right, so yeah, I hope you understood and liked this video. So if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.